Buzz, said the mother. Buzz, said the 5. And they buzzed all day by the box beehive. You ready? You ready? Oh, you're going to do it? Okay. Gently. Here we go. Here you go. You're going to do it. Okay.
Please turn the page.
Sure, I'll help you. Oh, what's this? Let's read this one. Over in the meadow, in a nest built of sticks, lived an old mother crow and her little crow 6. Caw, said the mother. Caw, said the 6. So they cawed all day long in their nest made of sticks. Where's the little ones? Look right here. Look at them all in the nest. Oh, there's one up here too. Wow. Oh, turn the page. Okay, want to help? Good boy. What are these guys?
Hooray!
Want to read it? Yeah? Over in the meadow where the grass grows so even, lived an old mother frog and her little froggies 7. Jump, said the mother. We jumped, said the 7. So they jumped all day where the grass grows so even. 7 even. I would have come up with a different rhyme. Are you going to turn the page? Are you going to do it? Okay, yay, Trevor! Good boy, yay! Over in the meadow, look at the pictures. Over in the meadow, by the old mossy gate, lived an old mother.
Please turn the
Oh,
page.
okay, we're not going to read that one. We turn the page. Oh, what's this? Look at the chicks. Over in the meadow, in the pond by the
Please turn the page.
pine. Oh, okay. You're getting awfully hasty. We didn't finish reading it. There's beavers. Over in the meadow by a wee cozy den lived a old mother beaver and her little beavers 10. Chew, said the mother. Chew, said the 10. So they chewed all day long by their cozy wee den. Now what? Now what would you want me to do? Are you going to do it?